Hello and welcome to another COVID travel test unboxing. It's a little bit like Christmas, but a lot healthier. In this video, I'm going to be looking at a Fit to Fly travel test from Dante Labs. A Fit to Fly travel test is a test that you take pre-departure. Some airlines and destinations will require you to have a Fit to Fly or Fit to Travel certificate, which includes your name, date of birth, passport number, and proof of your negative COVID test, as well as the time and date of the test. This particular test cost £48 and arrived only one day after it said it would, but we did order it quite late in the day, so that may have had an effect. This Fit to Fly test is a PCR test, which means while you take it at home, the results will have to be sent off to a laboratory to be analysed. So, let's get stuck in. The package will arrive in this very classic brown envelope packaging, so no surprises there. In the brown envelope, you will find this white box containing the test kit, as well as your return envelope, stick it up and ready to go. So let's put this to one side and take a look inside the box itself. First up, you have your swab. For this test, you will need to swab both your tonsils and your nostrils. These are your instructions. This little pamphlet folds out and contains some interesting graphics to give you additional visual cues on how to take the test. Make sure you read these even if you've done a test before, as tests can differ. This is your collection tube where you'll put your sample, and it's this that will be sent off to the laboratory to be analysed. You'll put this collection tube inside your specimen transport bag, which sounds a little bit like something from Ghostbusters, but hey ho, I guess that's just the world we're living in. For more information on all things COVID travel testing, head to finder.com. To head straight there, click the link appearing in the right-hand corner now. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel, and be sure to hit that bell button to be the first to know when a new video drops. As always, thank you for watching.